It's Chinese New Year, and if you are trying to avoid those very annoying uncle auntie that keep on asking you, bila kau mau kawin, like I show you. Welcome to Cijin Island or Cijin Tao. It's a 5-minute journey island from Kaohsiung Gushan Ferry Pier. This small island not only got good street food but also awesome man-made and nature view. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to reach the island. Depending on where your hotel is, take the KMRT to Sichuan station using the orange line. The number in the map shows the amount you need to pay, tapi if you use Taiwan Easy Card, it gives some good discount. When you reach the station, go to exit 1 and follow Kaohsiung Road until you reach Ping Hai Road and turn right. You walk the until you saw Gushan Ferry Terminal. This ferry ride only takes 5 minutes and costs 30 NTD per person. But I recommend use the Easy Card, for sure you get discount. The ferry leaves every 10 minutes from 5 AM with the latest at 2 AM. When you reach the island, you can either rent a bike or you can jalan-jalan lah, up to you. The weather is so perfect when I reach the island. The scenery reminds me of Ghibli Studio punya animation ni. So cantik oh. Not far from the beach, I visit this Cijin Tunnel of Star. When you walk to the end kan, you see this really beautiful punya view. If you keep on walking along the path and limpas some jungle, you will eventually reach the Kaohsiung Lighthouse. These are some pictures that I took while I was there. I also like this aesthetic cafe just perched on top of the hill, and the jazz museum makes it even better. When I'm back at the beach area, there's a lot of small hawkers selling Taiwanese street snacks. Here are some that I makan while I was there. I really like this pai tangko and grilled sotong, perfect for makan while watching sunset. I want to introduce you to Taiwan Easy Card. This card works macam our punya touch and go. You can add money inside at most metro station or convenience store. I usually do it at 7-Eleven lah. Cijin Island is one of the most highlight part of my tour in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. So, macam, bila lagi kamu pergi? Thank you for watching, and if you want to know more about good places under $7, you click like, you click share, you subscribe today.